Hello guys, Tav HD here, and today we are doing an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 4 Nike Plus. This is the 44mm silver case with the platinum and black sports band. Let's get started. So on the front of the box we can see it says Apple Watch and then it has the Nike Plus logo. Side is blank, other side's blank, so is that one. On the back is information about the watch. So let's open it out of the plastic now. There's a pull tab on it. We can just pull off the plastic now. Okay, now the plastic's off, we can pull the back tabs here, if I can work out how to do it. Like that, just give it a pull and it'll come out. And then this whole outer packaging will come off and we are greeted with the box with the watch in it and also the box with the strap in it. As you can see in here is images of the Apple Watch. That's quite a nice touch, so let's move on to the actual device. First let's open the band. So I've gone with the white and black sport combination. Look on the back. Tells you it's a Nike Sport Band, Apple Watch and Nike Plus. This is for the 44mm version, which I have. So let's open this up. So I assume we just open it from the end. And then it will slide out. This little tab here. Out it pulls. Put the box to the side. There we have information about the strap. Then we have more branding. We can open that up. Tells you how to fit the strap. Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Then inside we can see the strap itself. There's a small one and a large one. I will probably need the small one, but we will see about that later. Let's put that to the side and look at the watch. Here's the watch, it shows the front of it on the box. Then I assume this opens by just lifting upwards. Put that to the side and straight away in there we can see the watch and then designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So it's going to assume that I'm an athlete. I'm not, I only got this because I like the strap and because of the different watch faces you can have, but oh well, if it thinks I'm going to be running, it can believe that. And there's information that we won't need to look at, so we can put that to the side. Then we've got the charger, and we also have the power brick. Let's look at those first. So here's the brick, different design to the one for my phone, but I guess I could use my phone one with this. We're going to take the plastic off. Quite simple there. Plastic to the side, nice and shiny. So as you can see, the charger pops open. So then when it's traveling, the pins don't get damaged. It can just push in. That is very good design. Okay, so next in the box is the charger. I've already taken the plastic off because I've already recorded this bit, but my phone deleted the footage. So this is the charger that the watch sits on. Magnetically, I believe it attaches. So yeah, next up in the box is the watch itself. It's in a little pouch. I believe it is Alcantara, but I'm not too sure on that. Nice and soft. I guess you could use it when you're traveling and you don't need your watch on. So that's a very nice touch for them to include it. Before we get the watch out, I think we should get the bands that we're going to need. So this part we are definitely going to need. So let's take that out, put that to the side, and then I will take the small loop for now, but if it's too small, I'll get the large one out later. And on this bit there is some protective plastic just covering up the metal. So let's just take that off and put the plastic to the side. Now we can attach the straps to the watch. Okay, let's take it out of the pouch now. I think it's already started up actually. Let's reset it to factory defaults. Now it's going to go ahead and do that. While it's doing that, let's attach the straps. So this one will go on the bottom of the watch. I believe it just slides in. So the strap just slides in. It's clicked into place. Now let's put the other one in. Oh, it's starting up now, but I'm not ready yet. I'm still trying to get the strap on. And I believe the strap is now on. So let's set up the watch. Okay, we've got a new view going on here. It says to bring my phone near. So let's do that now. Here it is. There it is. It's popped up straight away. So let's now press on continue. Now I've got to take a picture of the image that the watch is displaying. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And it's done that. And it says that there is an update for the watch. So let's let it do that now. Okay, the update's finished now. It's telling me to put my phone next to it again. So let's do that now. There it is. It's popped up. Now it wants me to do the camera thing again. It's got that. So now it says that it has paired. Let's set up the Apple Watch. Wrist preference, I'm going to say right. And now I will try the digital crown on the right for now, but I may change that to the left. So now the watch is saying it's setting the language. It's just loading up. Terms and conditions, yep. Enable route tracking, yeah, why not? Okay. Create a passcode, okay. I've entered the passcode. Set up activity, yes, why not? I'll set up those. Right, so I've just set up that. Now daily move goal, I'll put that up. Let's set it to 500 and see how that goes. That'll be fine. Heart rate notification, yeah, why not? Apple Pay, let's do that. Card activated, great. Emergency SOS, yeah, why not? Let's get those away. Install available apps, choose later. Now it says that it is synchronizing, so let's leave it to do that. As you can see, it is now synchronizing and setting up, so let's leave it to do that. But we can have a look at the Apple Watch basics. So display tells you how to use everything. I don't really need to know about that, so we'll just leave it to set up. Okay, it's finished doing that. It says press the digital crown to start. Okay. And there we go. It's now on. Now if we look at the app, it just says welcome to the watch app. Now we can choose our watch face. And as you can see right now it is displaying one of the Nike ones, but I'm going to change that. I quite like the chronograph one. I'll customize that now and then we will add it. Okay, I've customized the face that I want. Let's add that. Now it says face has been added. So let's see. And yes, it has. Okay, that's the watch now fully set up. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.